Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can solve the issue. Issue is that your Spotify app keep crashing and stopping while using. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just go to the settings and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just going back and just going to the iPhone storages and just find a Spotify app. Just scroll it down and just find it. You see that I'm gonna find it and just tap on upload app and just tap on upload and just getting the option of reinstall. Just to have to just reinstall the app of Spotify. After that, just going back and just scroll it down and just find a transfer reset icon. Just tap on that and just tap on reset and just reset the network setting from here. After doing all the steps, your problem gonna solve. If your problem not gonna solve, simply just uninstall the Spotify app and again download from the App Store. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.